matchless love and beauty, endless worth. Nothing in this world can satisfy. 'Cause Jesus, you're the cup that won't run dry. Your presence is heaven to me. Your presence is heaven to me. You're the treasure of my heart and of my soul. 'Cause in my weakness you are merciful. Redeemer of my past and present wrongs, and holder of my future days to come. Your presence is heaven to me. Oh God, your presence is heaven to me. There's nothing like your presence. Your presence is heaven to me. Oh, yeah. Your presence is heaven to me.
Yes, God.
All my days on earth I will await the moment that I see you face to face. 'Cause nothing in this world can satisfy. 'Cause Jesus, you're the cup that won't run dry.
Come on, Yvonne. Yes.
I said nothing in this world can satisfy. 'Cause Jesus, you're the cup that won't run dry.
Come on, say it again.
'Cause Jesus, you're the cup that won't run dry. Your presence is heaven to me.
Listen, I just want to encourage you right where you are. Listen, right now, this is between you and the Father. This is between you and Jesus. This is between you and the Holy Spirit right now. Come on, open up your mouth. If you have nothing to say, just say, oh, we worship, we worship, we worship, we worship. Come on, somebody sing a new song. Oh, somebody sing a new song. Come on, let his praises fill the temple. Let his worship fill the temple. Come, Jesus, come, Jesus, come, Jesus, come, Jesus. Your presence is heaven. Your presence is heaven. I just want to encourage somebody to step in deeper, step in deeper, step in deeper. Listen, you've been on the outside for too long. You've been in the outer court for far too long. The Holy Spirit is bidding you, say, come, 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 come. Draw close, draw close, draw close unto me. Come on, just let the Holy Spirit do what he does. Moving on every heart, changing every life.